Hi everyone, do you know how to generate business model strategy templates using AI Workspace? Yeah, this is a video that you need to watch definitely. Here I'm going to show you how to add your Excel workbook and make a business model canvas for you. Just let me show you how you can do that. Watch the full video, okay? First open your browser and go to Jeda AI. If you haven't already signed up, please do that, else you can click on this login button. Okay, now you have to click on this new workspace button and then you will be able to see the workspace. Just place the cursor on somewhere and then type the value proposition strategy template for an online retail shop. Now just type / and then click on the analysis settings icon and then click the column layout. That's all. Just wait for the result. Wow, this is great, right? Now again type / and then click on the grid layout. Now you will be able to see the output like a grid. Now you have to remember that you can use multi-model thing. Actually you can use GPT-4, OLA Llama and maybe GPT 3.4, whatever you like this. So this is amazing, right? Okay, now let's try another way that we can use Jeda AI like this. Especially you have to go to command box and then type business model strategy for t-shirt blah blah blah, and then you can click on that prompt generator. So you will see some custom prompts generated. Now you have to click on this analysis and then you can select the layout and you can select the model and then just press the button. Just wait. Wow, so great, right? Okay, now let's upload a CSV file to Jeda AI. And then you have to go to this AI recipes menu, click on strategy and planning. Then you have to click on the business model. You have to fill some text fields like this, and you have make sure that you select the GPT-4 and also you have to select the data sheet. Okay, now wait for the output. Wow, actually still you can see the progress there, and wait until it ends. Wow, so this is great, right? So what do you think? Just try this amazing tool, Jeda AI. Thank you for watching. Bye.